So, ayan guys, meron kaming bagong baby. Magbibisit kami ng 1 week kasi ang kanyang parents ay pupunta ng Cambodia. So, si Inso nasa loob kasi jealous si Inso, ayaw niyang ano. Ito kasi mahilig tumakol. Si Inso, hindi siya marunong tumakol. Yeah. So, this is our baby. My baby. Why you bark with Enzo? But he's maybe he's scared of Enzo, that's why he barked. Hello. We don't even ask Regis what is the name of the dog. We don't even.
What is your name?
What's your name? What's your name?
La. I call him La. Boy, I go. Ah, it's a boy.
Boy?
Ah, La.
Ah, it's a boy.
Name my La. La.
Enzo Umbrello.
La. Ở đây. À, La. My La. You know, La is a.
Takot si Enzo sa kanya. Kaya nasa loob si Enzo. Okay, your bed here. You stay here. No need to put this one, it's too hot. You see, that's why I like to buy a small dog because you can carry whenever you go to the mall. Put down! Put
So
down.
small after I smash the rilo.
How come you smash? Sit down, Lola.
Rudy.
Ayan, hindi namin alam ang pangalan niya, nakalimutan na. Sige, si Ayan. Uy! Si Ayan guys. Bibisit kami 1 week na dito sa amin.